Welcome to Christ College Reboy. Established in 2022 by the Carmelite Sisters of St. Teresa, we offer a 4-year undergraduate program in subjects like economics, education, English, geography, history, khasi, political science, and sociology. Boost your learning with VAC, SEC, MDC, and AEC courses, or gain practical skills through vocational training in tailoring, embroidery, and mushroom cultivation. At Christ College, learning is joyful, holistic, and life-shaping. Admissions open now. Visit our website or contact the college office to know more. Christ College, where dreams take flight.
Khuborjylla kalarai banya Trelang bat ka Sanker Center for Neurology and Mental Health ban Nonghikai pentebet bakarpang lani ka special training palat chispa ngut kinohikai ban longkum ki counselor na ka benta banya khun persya ya ka jingjalai udrok ha ka jala. Ya kini la pentep do menteri katanat social welfare ba polling do bat uloong ba katanat social welfare kan bay 100% ka jinglut na ka benta ban ai jinghikai pentebet ya kinohikai. Habakren shikilat pathai Khubor, uba pol ulayt ho da kanikarai ka sorkar ka UI ka Khuborjylla kinohikai ban kring yiki khna ban lait ni kitersim jong udrok. Ulo ongru de kinohikai ki bedon ke ikhtiar bat kasap ban kro iki khna banum ngop hau niu jingdi ba penjot ya ka jing em jongki. Uba pol ulayt ho ka sorkar ka labu thong ban pendep ikini ka jinghikai hapo shipau banai khna bikin yo ban net shaki school ban longkum ki counselor. Kani gadi kasin jam bakong san bakatanat social welfare kay Trelang bat ka dream banyalet ma persya udrok ringkat baka Sanker Center for Neurology and Mental Health. Kini kinohikai counselor kinhikai bat batay ki jingma jing mensaw no udrok hay ki knarit na do class 2 hado class 5 laong bapol. Bapol uloong ka jinglut ha kini ka jinghikai pentebet ye kinohikai ka kenjo siya ka 10,000 tingka bat ka social welfare kan bay shiteng na kata kamot 100%. Ulay ru katanat social welfare kalay lok bat ka Shillong la jong football club banyalap penduk jat ya kajingop kibriyo ha udrok bat ban pasyaw ki Samla syapang kajingma na udrok. Umentri ula pentep ru baka social welfare kan sedang ya ka vocational and skill development ya ki badi drok bakin lot ya lade na kajing syak te meraw hau ni ujing di basniu tam. Ngila syem bakini kabut trekam kadai ka bejob ha bapai sya kajing kring pat ya kitu ki belangop ha udrok. Kijing ai jinghikai ki balayat ha New Hope De-Addiction Center na kabenta ki nong di drokshin rang bat kentai. Ngilay Trelang ru bat ka MSSDS donbosco ITI bat ngila terwa ban ai jinghikai ha ka plumbing, food processing, mobile repair, photography bat kiway uloong.
Sanker is already running, where teachers will be trained in counseling students, young children from classes 2 to class 5, where they will be impressed with the need to stay free from substance abuse. In this regard, I'm happy to share with you that the cost of this entire course is rupees 10,000. Out of which the government will bear 50% of the course fee. So that's a major initiative that I'd like to share with you. We are in the process, as I indicated in the last meeting, of procuring 2 vehicles which will be tasked with narcotic scanning, one of which is already on its way, and we expect that with the constant intervention of the DG police, this should materialize soon. Sniffer dogs, and I'm happy to share with you that they are currently being trained. It'll take another 6 months before we complete the training of the sniffer dogs.
The police trainers have also already got 9 police trainers.
9 police
to assist with the training.
Okay. Then the joint VDP training and community intelligence initiatives quite a few donboscos have already come forward and applied for being recognized as VDPs. In Shillong, until Dream came into being, there are only 11 VDPs, and now we expect this number to go up at least by double the current number, as we have been having regular interaction and consultative meetings with the donboscos. In the cantonment area, which has always been seen as something which is off the radar, beyond the reach of the state government, I'm happy to share with you that the CEO of the Cantonment Board is now partnering with the donboscos of areas within the Cantonment Board. In Jalupara, for instance, a major point where there is also a large concentration of migrant population, CCTVs will be installed, and we are also engaging, as I mentioned, with faith leaders. So the Catholic Diocese has agreed to set up new rehab centers. One of them, which we have initiated and which will take place shortly, is the RTCC in Nonghikai district.